my YouTube channel Shreya side. I hope you all are doing very well, guys. So today, before starting the video, I want to mention that again today I'm wearing the top which I recently uploaded a video on about Flipkart tops under rupees 500. So this is the same top, guys, from that video. I hope you all can clearly see. So this is how it looks like. So let's get in this video now. So as you must have seen from topic itself, this is the NYKAA haul video, and this is the biggest ever NYKAA haul I'm going to do today. Since I've uploaded many videos on YouTube channel regarding NYKAA haul and NYKAA purchase, NYKAA unboxing, but this one today is gonna be the biggest unboxing for me. Look at this box, guys. I mean, it's such a huge box. It seems like it's having crockery inside, but trust me, this is not having anything rather than cosmetic and products. So this is gonna be my hugest haul. So let's just dive into this box and let's just unbox this and see what are the products. First of all, I want to mention this is surely not a PR package, guys. This is the product which I have purchased myself, and amount of all the products inside this box is 2,505 rupees. So I have purchased all these products for rupees 2,505 for my own money. So let's just continue watching this video so that we can just unreveal what's there inside. And don't forget to like this video, share this with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet, and keep coming back to Shreya's side. Wait, don't go anywhere. First of all, we have to open this box and see what are the products lying inside this. Okay, guys? So here we are gonna quickly unbox this box in order to get what are the products like inside this huge box, guys. This is the first time, guys. I'm so excited because this is the first time I'm getting such a big box from NYKAA. I mean, although I have spent my money, I have spent like 2,505 bucks on these products, but yet I'm very happy because I always used to think that why don't NYKAA give me such big box? They just used to send me things. Even if I used to purchase for rupees 3,000 and stuff, they always used to give me each and every product separately. They never gonna send me like all the products like this. So here we have, okay, let me first set my camera a little bit. Okay, so here I've unboxed this box, guys. I hope you all can clearly see. So here I've unboxed. So here is the bill which fell down itself. Here is the sheet. So many bubble sheets. Then here are the products lying inside this. Sorry for the background sound and stuff, guys. I have pre-mentioned in my each and every video time and again that I live at the area where my house is on the main road, so there's always traffic, always chaos and crowd outside. So sound is like an ultimate stuff you can get over here. So we're gonna unwrap all the sheets quickly and we're gonna see what other products are inside. So here I've unwrapped all the sheets, guys, and the box is entirely empty now, as you can clearly see. So let's just quickly hop into the products which are, so here I'm having total 10 products, guys. The 9 products here itself are purchased by me, but the 10th product is something which I got for free because there was a offer going on NYKAA that if you purchase for amount, I think it was for 2,000. If you purchase for amount 2,000 regarding skin essentials from NYKAA, then you're gonna get something free sample and stuff. So the first product that I got for free is the this is the Face Shop, the Solution Pore Care Face Mask. So this is for the amount rupees 150 from the brand Face Shop, but I got this for free from NYKAA. Thank you, NYKAA, for giving this for free because I really wanted to try Face Shop face sheet mask always, but I never purchased them. But this one is for 150 and I got it for free because I purchased for 2,000 and plus amount regarding skin essentials from NYKAA. So this is the free product. I'm gonna give a quick review of this after I'm gonna use this to all of you over there. Let's just quickly dive into the products which I've purchased now. Few of the products are under discount, less or more whatever, and few are at the original price. So I'm just gonna quickly tell you the original price and if they are at discount. So in no particular order, as always, the first product is this is a body wash, guys. Lux Soft Touch for soft fragrance skin, floral beauty oil, French rose and almond oil. The amount of this is rupees 99. So this is the body wash from Lux and the price of this is rupees 99. I hope you all remember the fragrance of Lux because I am a kind of child who has, been brought up with this particular fragrance, whether it's Lux, it's Pears, it's Dettol. These three and even Synthol, these 3 and 4 soaps are like which I have my childhood memories with, and Lux is one of those. So I just saw this on NYKAA and I thought, why not to get a shower gel from Lux? Let's just see because soap used to be perfect. But the only issue which I had from the soap from Lux was that it used to dry up my skin. बचपन में तो समझ में नहीं आता था, but when I just used, I understood that what things are good for me. I get to know my own skin and my skin type. Then I got to know कि नहीं, this I can't use anymore because it dries up my skin very quickly. So this is something which I've purchased for rupees 99. There is no discount on this. Moving on to the second product is a face wash. This is Pond's Pimple Clear Target Pimples Face Wash with Active Thymo Tea Essence. So this is the face wash from Pond's, guys. And the original price of this, it is for rupees 180. Let me check whether it was on discount or not. Okay, yeah, the original price of this was rupees 180, but I got this for rupees 135 on discount, guys. So this was the second product. Moving on to the third product, this is a shampoo. This is Tresemme Spa Rejuvenation Shampoo, 185 ml bottle. The only reason why I purchased this was because it is written as Spa Rejuvenation, so I thought it must be having a very good and fresh fragrance, and that's all what I need for summer. I hope you all can again clearly see the sweat shining on my forehead. I'm like drenched with sweat, guys, because again I can't open the fan because I'm making this video for you all. So please, y'all, like this video. It's really very, very hot and I just can't tell you how I'm sitting over and filming this video. You can clearly see the sweat shining. So please make it worth it and please like this video, y'all. So this is the shampoo. The amount of this is rupees 125. Let me check whether I got it at discount or not. I hope it must be mentioned over here. Yeah, the original price of this is 125, but I got this for rupees 100 on discount. Moving on to the fourth product, this is a body lotion from Nivea. This would be my first time I would be using this particular from Nivea. I have used Nivea many body lotions before along with SPF and stuff, but this is gonna be my first time I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna try this for the first time. That's why I ordered this in the small bottle. I didn't went for the big bottle because agar product work nahi karta hai aap ke, then it feels like you just wasted your money. So I just purchased this small bottle for 125 ml just to check out whether it works for me or not. So I'll even give you a review on this because this is a product which I'm going to use for the first time. So this is Nivea Sun Protect and Moisture Moisturizing Sun and Collagen Protection SPF 50+. The amount of this is, guys, it is for rupees... where have I written the price of this? Okay, wherever they have written, let me just check it in the bill, okay? Okay, I don't know about the original price, guys, because I just cannot find where the original price is written or not. I just can't find the original price, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, sorry, yeah, it's written over here. It is for rupees 499. The original price is 499, but I got this on discount, and the price at which I purchased this is rupees 374. So 499 ka I purchased at 374 again on discount, and a try-on product for me for the first time. Even this Tresemme, this particular shampoo is for a try-on product for me because I have used Tresemme many shampoo before, but this particular variant is going to be a try-on for me, and same goes with this Nivea. This two variants of the brand which I've used earlier is going to be a try-on for me. I'm going to go. So that means if a product is a try-on for me, there is going to, be a video on these products coming for you people after some time. Wait for that, okay? Moving on to the next product, this is the product which I'm purchasing for the first time. This is the brand even for which I'm purchasing for a first time. I have never used Khadi Naturals product. So this is Khadi Natural Herbal Face Pack. Neem and Tulsi. This is Khadi Natural Neem and Tulsi Herbal Face Pack. I hope you all can see this. So this is how it looks like. It is packed in like kind of a tin container, and the amount of this is rupees 125. The reason I purchased Neem and Tulsi Herbal Face Pack, guys, because my skin is combination and prone to pimple and acne very quickly, and the breakouts are seen like instantly on my skin. So I thought, why not to keep this Neem and Tulsi, face pack. This can be a great DIY product and even a regular basis, skin refreshing and skin enhancing product. So I went for this. The brand is Khadi Natural. It is a well-known brand through ages, no doubt on the brand, but let's see how the products work for me or not. The amount of this is 125, and I got this for 106. So 125 product original price I got for 106 after discount. So this was the fifth product. Moving on to the sixth product. This is from Neutrogena, guys. So I hope you all can clearly see. Means I'm having Lux, I'm having Pond's, I'm having Nivea, Tresemme, Khadi, Neutrogena. This video is like a multi-brand video. Means from NYKAA, I have not purchased a brand. Means I have not been a brand biased person. I have purchased products from different brands and different variants. So this is even a great video if you are searching for brands which you can explore more. I have been explore a brand more this time. Khadi Natural is the first time I'm gonna use. So this is a very good video, helpful for you. So don't forget to like, okay? So again, this is a Neutrogena. This is Neutrogena Boost Water Gel. I have heard a lot about this product from many people that this is a great water-based moisturizer. The reason being I went for this is, guys, because my skin is combination oily and acne prone skin. So I do want a very good moisturizer. I cannot skip moisturizer because moisturizer is the basic step for your skin daily routine and your skin care and stuff. So I cannot skip moisturizer, but choosing the right moisturizer which is not very oily, which is not very what do we call it, very thick consistency, which does not just clog my pores. I want something as such. So I just want to try this. This is for the first time I'm going to try this product as well. This is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, and the amount of this is rupees 849. So I cannot say this is a very affordable product. 849 does matter for a moisturizer, but if the product is gonna work, then it's worth it. So the amount of this is 849, guys. Let me check whether I got it on discount or it is for the original price. Yeah, 825. The original price is 849. The original price is 849, but I got this for 726. So again on discount. So this is even the first time I'm going to use this product. So there will even be a review for this product as well. So wait, guys, there are many reviews upcoming. So stay tuned with my channel. Don't go anywhere. Next is again from Neutrogena. This is a pre-used product for me and I love this product. Any guesses? You got it right. If you just guess, then this must be the right guess you people have done. This is from Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch, not Dye Touch. This is Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50 Broad Spectrum UVA UVB. My best ever sunscreen for the time being amongst all the sunscreen which I have used for my skin, especially for the way the texture of my skin is. For this combination acne prone skin, I love this formula. This is so dry and so moisturizing at the same time. Amazing, guys. The amount of this is rupees 549 for 88 ml. Guys, I hope you all are staying tuned with my channel. So as you must have watched my previous videos, this is the third product. This is the third time I'm purchasing this. First I purchased the small one tube of this particular product just to see whether the product works for me. Then I purchased again the big tube, and this is the third time I'm purchasing the same product. So you can literally know from my purchase itself how much I'm in love with this product. This is the best product, and amongst all the products which I have shown you, guys, I really highly recommend you this product. Use this once. I don't say that go for this big size at once. Don't do that. You can try the small tube and you can see whether it works for you, but this is something I highly recommend. At least you can use this on my recommendation. Let me see whether I got this on discount or not. this original price of this is 490, nice 549. This is for 549, but I got this for 469. So again on discount, and greatest product of all times. Now second last product is an eyebrow pencil, guys. This is again for the first time I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil. This is from NYKAA waterproof eyebrow pencil in the shade 01 black. So here is on the one side it is having this eyebrow tool, and the second side it is having an eyebrow pencil. The amount of this is rupees 125, and this was not on any discount. I got this for 125 only. So again I'm gonna review for this because this is gonna be the first time I'm gonna use this eyebrow pencil. I have been using Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil since all times. I have used their black, their brown, their light brown shade, but this is gonna be the first time I'm gonna use NYKAA one. Last product is a very well-known product. If you do makeup, then you must be very much aware of this. This is Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal. So look at this, guys. I mean, this reminds me of Apsara triangle pencil, which used to come in this triangle shaped box only. And I used to love those colorful pencils from Apsara, and it used to be packed in the same fashion, guys. So this reminds me of those Apsara colored pencil for triangle. And the amount of this is rupees 495, and this was on any discount. Yeah, this was on discount. This is for amount rupees 495, but I got this for 375. So this was on discount. There's even a sharpener inside this. You can see free sharpener inside this. So I'm gonna use this and review this even, but this is super cute and the most cutest stuff I found in this complete entire haul. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you do like, share, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet, and please comment down and tell me which products you have used, how they stood up to your expectation or not, and what product you would recommend me. Let me know, and keep tuned with my channel. Don't go anywhere. Keep coming back to Shreya's side. Love you all. Stay happy, stay fit, stay young. Bye bye, guys.